Is your Subaru Solterra key fob not working or showing an open case issue? It's likely the CR2032 battery needs replacing. This video will guide you through the process. First, locate the small notch on the back of the key fob near the key ring. Use a flathead screwdriver or plastic pry tool to gently separate the two halves of the fob. Avoid using excessive force to prevent damage. Once open, remove the old CR2032 battery, noting which side faces up. Insert the new CR2032 battery in the same orientation. Snap the case firmly back together, ensuring there's no debris or misalignment, preventing a complete closure. If the key fob still doesn't work after battery replacement, you may need to reprogram it. A common issue is the remote lock-unlock not functioning. First, ensure the battery voltage is above 2.5 volts. You can test this with a multimeter if available. Some Solterra owners have found success reprogramming via the Subaru Starlink app or through the vehicle's infotainment system under Settings, Vehicle, Keyless Entry, although this feature may not be available on all models. If issues persist, especially after software updates, a visit to your Subaru dealership might be necessary for a free reprogramming. Be aware that cold climates can accelerate battery drain, requiring more frequent replacements. Also, Subaru recommends against non-genuine batteries as they can cause malfunctions.